Good. Good evening, everyone. Everyone, come back to class mode. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Nice. Let's see. Let's see what we have discussed till now. I'm just gonna give you a complete HTML, CSS for desktop, not HIT, HTML for Control C. Now, HTML, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Good. Everyone, focus here, ma once. Till now, we have completed basics of internet. In the initial demo classes, I explained you UI UX also. Okay. Later, I just explained you HTML. We discussed HTML and HTML5. We discussed CSS, advanced CSS. Now we discussed Bootstrap also. Today we are going to discuss JavaScript from today onwards. Okay. Now I will just post everything, including HTML, CSS1. Like, let me post it here. File explore, folder explore. Naresh IT, HTML, CSS4, upload, folder, upload, file upload. Now I just uploaded HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, complete PDF, sir. Also, the folders which contains code till now what we did. Okay, all the code which we did, and also whatever the PDFs of complete notes is also there. The whole copies are in the drive. All copies are also in the GitHub also, sir. Okay. Now just focus on those things. At any point, if you get it any doubt, you can let me know. Go here. Let me go here. Let's create a new folder, JavaScript. Again, inside the folder, code, notes, code, notes, projects. Does anyone have any link to show? Does anyone have any link to show, sir? Did you all remember that Monday is our deadline? Clear now? Any doubts? No. Just focus on that. Now someone created a site using the bootstrap and animate. It's looking good actually, better than mine. Looking perfect. And only the images they need to change. Now they put it something here, hobbies, qualifications, dreams. They need to change only the text. See here, they put it background color white and then the primaries. And these things they are keeping primary ones. Nice. Design wise, it's looking good. Our team cursive writing, underline. Nice, nice. It's looking promising. Not bad. And they uses something called bootstrap, sir. You can able to see it. It's exactly the bootstrap one, right? Now, next one. If someone wants bootstrap CDN, you go to bootstrap website or take it my site. Someone created TikTok too. This is one of the project which we will create in the JavaScript actually. You can able to create it, sir. Okay, good. Now next, someone created SR vegetable bazaars. This is also bootstrap only. You can see it's flashy one. Healthy vegetable bazaar, healthy food, local food, something something names. Needs to be somewhat more better, but actually, instead of these logos, you can put the fruits images only. But they are okay, good. It's a bootstrap site. Did you guys, anyone, started creating bootstrap? Are you all trying, ma? Make sure. Do it slowly, kuch nahi hota. If tomorrow also I will leave, but Monday I want it for sure. Okay? Yeah. Okay, ma. Let's start. Like the people are waiting for JavaScript from years. Pro.txt. About us. Oh, it will have about us items, leaf and vegetables. Oh, they will have leaf and vegetable items. Flowers. They will have flowers, flower vegetables. It's looking good. The buttons are dancing there. But it should not actually. If images are dancing, it's okay. If buttons are dancing, it will be difficult for users to click on them. So obviously, it's like you will lose your customers. Okay. Now, good. Let's start, sir. JavaScript. JavaScript is introduced in 1995. JavaScript is introduced. Rick Moch. No, not this. JS founder, H. 1995. Introduced in 1995 by Brendan Eich. Now, the actual thing is the JavaScript initially is developed just in 10 days. Initial JavaScript actually developed in 10 days. We are learning it more than 30 days. Now, the JavaScript one initially named as live script. JS initially called as live script. JS initially called as live script. JavaScript initially called as live script. But this is one of the first question. This is one of the first question. People always ask, what is the difference between Java and JavaScript? Actually, there is no relation only. Java and JavaScript is not having any relation. Only the names are similar because the people who started this JavaScript, na, initially they name it live script, na, and at that time it's not popular. 1995 Java is so popular. So that's why they just want to use the popular name. So they named it JavaScript. Okay. But changed as J JavaScript because Java is popular at that time. There is no relation. But if anyone asks, you can even answer in this way. JavaScript is a client side language. That means mostly JavaScript runs in browser. Now Node.js came. Node.js actually runs in the server also. But earlier JavaScript actually runs in only browser, client side. JavaScript runs in only client side. Open your book and start writing something, Ray. No book? Take a paper from someone. Now, is a client side language and Java and all are actually server side language. Node.js also runs in server. If you know this JavaScript, almost anything you can do it easily, you will get the job. If you want to get the job easily, you need to have a good knowledge of JavaScript and React. But if you know JavaScript, React, you will get it easily in a week. Okay. JavaScript is a client side programming language, and Node.js also runs in server basically. Now, next, let's start, sir. First question: How to write? How to write JavaScript? How to write JavaScript? How to write JavaScript in HTML? How to connect them? How do you write that JavaScript basically? How do you connect it? Like CSS, you will write CSS and you will connect it using link tag. Then how do you write the JavaScript, sir? Script tag. There are two ways, two ways to connect connect JS into HTML. There are two ways you can connect JS into HTML. First one, internal JS. Second one, external JS. First one, internal JS. Second one, external JS. First one, internal JS. Second one, external JS. Now, if I go here, internal JS. Now, in this, in this JS, in this JS, we will write, we will write, we will write code, or we will write JavaScript inside HTML, inside HTML between script tag, between the script tags. External JS. We can write external JS. We can write external JavaScript. We can write external JavaScript. We can write external JavaScript and connects to, we can write external JavaScript. We can write external JavaScript and connects to HTML. We can write external JS and connects to HTML, connects to HTML using script tag. There are two ways you can write the JavaScript. One is internal JS and one is external JS. Internal JS, we will write the JavaScript and inside the HTML, we will write it. Between the script tags, we will write it, whatever we wrote. External JS, sir, we will write the external JavaScript and we will connect the HTML using script tag. We will connect it using script tag. How do you do that? I will tell you. Go here, go here, code, select it here first. I'm creating one folder first, index.html. Exclamation, enter. Now here, just a minute. ఆ సర్కిల్ దగ్గర డివైడ్ అవుతాయి. రెండు రోడ్లు డివైడ్ అవుతాయి. అక్కడ మధ్యలో ఎస్బీఐ ముందు కొట్టిన ఎస్బీఐ okay. Now let's write some HTML code, sir. Now inside the HTML code, write it here script. Did you remember in CSS we write something called style? What is it called? Internal CSS. What is it called? Now, similarly, sir, when we write script and inside the script, if we write JavaScript, what it is called, sir? Internal JavaScript. What it is called? Internal JavaScript. Now, I am writing one line in JavaScript. Don't worry about this line, which we will understand slowly. The line is console.log hello world. That means inside the console, I am printing hello world. Inside the console, I am printing hello world. Sir, what is the console, sir? Don't worry. We will discuss the console. Okay. Okay, ma. It's like your printf statement in your languages. Now, can I run this? Run. Where is that hello world, sir? Where did I print it? Console. Where is that console? Right click, inspect. Can you see the console? Can you see the console, ma? Inside the console, I just printed. Inside the console, I just printed hello world. Why you need it? I will tell you. Okay. Now, next. Go here. Like this, we will write it. Please note it down in internal JS. I will tell you internal first and then external second. Later, we will discuss console, what is what, and everything. Then we will do the code. If anyone have any programming knowledge, it will be more easy for you. Now, next, go here, create another file script.js. Sir, can I put any another name? 100% you can put. You can put any name you like. Script.js. Now inside that I am writing something called console.log by world. But sir, if I check this index.html, will the by world will be there, sir? Will it be there, sir? No. Why? Not connected. Because not connected. How do you connect, sir? Write it here. Script src. Script colon src. Script src. Inside the src, write the link. Dot slash. Now both are connected. You can write it the JavaScript code inside the HTML, or you can write it separately and connect it. Same like CSS. In CSS, we have inline CSS also. In JavaScript, we don't have any option like that. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? No. So everyone do a chota task. Now let me write it here for you. Inside script.js, I will just write it. Everyone do a chota task. Task 1. Please do it, everyone. Even if you don't have papers, please take a paper from someone. Task 1. Write JS to print your name and details. Connect to HTML internally and externally. I hope everyone understand the task. I hope everyone understand the task. Write JS to print your name and details. Now, next. Next one. I hope everyone is done. Sir, why script.js is written in line number 11? I just write it because this is a script.js file. Just to show you, I just wrote it. Okay. It's up to you. If you don't want to write, don't write it. कुछ नहीं होता. Now, next one. What is console? What is console? What is console? What are Google developer tools? Why they used? Like these questions will come. If the question comes with what is console, what are Google developer tools, why they are used, We will answer it, sir. In these cases, listen. Every browser, every browser provides provides some tools in inspect to know the to know about the website websites more detailed. Those tools those tools are called Google developer tools. Developer tools. They are useful. They are useful in making testing and testing and updating updating the web pages, making testing and updating the web pages more effectively, making the web pages more effectively. Example, example, elements. By default, when you inspect, you will get elements, ma. Elements which contain HTML and CSS code. Console is a debugging tool. Debugging sources to contain actual files. Actual files. Elements console sources which contains actual files. Network to do the to do API requests. Network to do the API requests. Elements HTML and code console will be used for debugging. Sources they will contains the actual files. Network they contains to do API, sir. Okay. Now next one, sir. Next one, sir. After network, you will have something called performance, memory, application, application. Last but not the least, you will have something called lighthouse. Lighthouse is so much useful when you are understanding page insights. Is it clear, ma? Now, now next. Imagine you are doing coding, Ray. S- Now, now, sir, if you go to any website, sir, let's open a website like Amazon, or you guys, I think someone did any site just now. Only someone showed me one site. This only I will open it. Now, right click, inspect. Can you see these elements, ma? Elements will have HTML code, sir. Elements will have HTML code, and the CSS will be down. If you go down, you can able to see the styles CSS, right or not? Now, console is used for debugging purpose. Debugging, what is that, sir? It means imagine you are writing big JavaScript code. Suddenly, at one point, you would want to print what is a value. You wanna print it, but you don't know what is a value. So you will just check it. You will just print it in console, and console will tell you this is your API value, or this is your a value. Then automatically you will use it. Okay. At every point, suddenly something is not working. Then you want to check it like where exactly till where to where it is working. Then you will use some kind of debugging. So that is for console. Console knows whole JavaScript. JavaScript don't know your console. Console is like your camera, CC camera. It can see you. You can't see them, and you eventually you will get it fooled. Okay. So console knows everything. If JavaScript you write it, let A equals to 20, B is equals to 5, C is equals to 20. Then if you write console.log A, automatically console will come to your JavaScript and will print A value is 20. How it is possible? Because your whole JavaScript will run in the client side. That means it will run in the client side, sir. Wow. Understand. 623, 623, 028, 028. Now, so not only console, sir. Take it the sources. See, in sources, I can able to see their code directly. Whatever the code she wrote, everything I can able to see. That is called sources. If they are using any network request, API request, this one is not having any API request. In real time, you will have so many API requests. That API request will be shown here. Or what is the performance of the website? 451 milliseconds, which is almost zero point 0.5 seconds. Or memory. What is your memory? Or something like lighthouse. Oh, application, I forgot. Application. Application. Application contains cookies, local storage, session storage, and all the things. Last but not least, lighthouse. Now, in this lighthouse, you can able to check it like how your site is running. For example, navigation and all, everything, how it is running in desktop. If I want to analyze, then automatically it will analyze my website. It will run my website and check it like how much time it's loading, what section is loading, what section is not loading. SEO wise, how much good score or how much bad. This is what my score. This is called lighthouse. Any doubt, sir? No. Next. Next one, sir. Next one. Third question. How to insert, how to insert, third one. How to insert comments, how to insert comments in HTML. How to insert comments in HTML. Note it down, sir. There are two ways. There are two ways to write. There are two ways. There are two ways to write comments of JavaScript in HTML. In HTML. There are two ways, sir, to write. One is single line. One is single line. Another one is multi-line comments. Single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments and multi-line comments. Now, in the single line comments, Now, single line comments uses single line comment uses double slash. Single line comment uses double slash. Multi-line comments, multi-line comments multi-line comments single line comments and multi-line comments. This starts with this starts with multi-line comments. They start with slash asterisk and ends with asterisk slash. Ends with slash asterisk slash. Quickly. Any doubts, sir? No. Everyone, create a simple HTML file with comments in JavaScript. Create a simple HTML file which contains job comments in JavaScript. Just write it, sir. Now, just write it. One simple HTML. Write a single line comment and multi-line comments. Write a simple JavaScript to write include single line comment and multi-line comments. Next, if you understand variables, almost most of the thing basic you can able to cover. Now, fourth one, how to declare how to declare a variable in JavaScript. How to declare variable in JavaScript. Declare a variable in JavaScript. You can declare you can declare a variable in JavaScript. You can declare a variable. You can declare a variable in JavaScript. You can declare a variable in JavaScript using var. Using var means variable. Sir, what about data types and all? I will tell you, don't worry. When we come to after this, we'll come to data types. These all are very basics. You can declare a variable using var. Okay. Now everyone, so you can declare a variable in JavaScript using var or let or const. Using var let const, you will declare a variable. You can declare a variable in JavaScript using var let or const. Then what is the difference? What is var? What is let? What is const? We will declare it, we will discuss soon. Until that, we will use directly var only. Okay? Till now any doubts, ma? Till now any doubts, sir? No. Let's start it here. Let's go here. Let's write it here. Var A is equals to 35. B is equals to 45. Console dot log A comma B comma A plus B. Can anyone guess what it will print? It will print 5. It will not print comma. If you print comma, it will give space. 5, sorry, not 5, 35 space 45 space summation ray 80. Now, if you go here, right click, inspect, console. Can you see this? Can you see this, ma? Any doubt, sir? No. Now, task 2, or no, task 3. We did it one task for comments also, I think. Task 3, write a basic, basic JS to print addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two numbers. Print in console. Everyone just write a basic JavaScript to print addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two numbers. Print in console. Any doubt, sir? Quickly. Good. Someone in the online print it. I knew the people will do this. Okay. I just asked you to print addition subtraction. You don't need to do A comma B, right? Just because I did, you will do it, right? Does anyone offline also did? I didn't ask you to do it, Ray. It's like a it's like a childhood. Sir gave someone homework, same thing like classwork they will write. Not change. You did on your own. Nice. Good. So it's nice. If you print the sum is or sum is 80, some like that you can print. Can I give negative values? Yes, you can give negative values. You can give anything. Any doubts, till now? Are everyone clear? Yeah. Now, next, next. Every variable, every variable, every variable will have a data type. Data type. Does anyone knows any programming languages, my year? In programming languages, you will get na data types. But JavaScript is dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language. What is it mean, sir? It means it means in JavaScript, in JavaScript, variables don't have fixed data type. If you know C language or if you know Java language, they will write something int A. Imagine you write int A equals to 20. Fine. Can I write A equals to Prasad then? No. Why? Integer. But in JavaScript, nothing is like that. JavaScript, you declare, you write it as integer, you write it as string, you change it as blue, you change it as array, you change it as something, whatever it is, it will work. Okay. That is called dynamically typed language. Python also same actually. Dynamically typed language. How it will do, sir? If I go here, if I say where a equals to 35, and if I ask console.log type of, if I want to print a data type, I will write it here. Type of A. What is the A data type? A is a number data type. What is the A data type? Integer. Here we will not have any integers. We will have a number. A will come as number. But next moment, if I write it here, A value, Prasad, automatically when I print it, A value will come string. So you can give one variable, whatever the data type you like, you can change it. This is called dynamically typed language. These all are very, very, very basics of JavaScript. Minimal basics. These things will continue. Even in React, it will be there, these properties. Now, next. So they will change its data type based on the value. They will change the data type based on the value. Any doubt, sir? Now go here. Go here. Fifth question. What are the data types in JS? JS have two types. JS have two types like primary data types, or you can also say primitive, not primary. Say it like primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types. You can see primitive data types or non-primitive.
This
Content you
meeting
don't
is
have
being
choice, only
recorded.
JavaScript. Backend I will use C sharp, sir. I will use Java, sir. I will use Python, sir. I will use something which whatever it is, PHP. But in front end, JavaScript is the only one which can save. Any doubts, ma? No. Next. 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 Now let's discuss the data types one by one by one. First one, number data type. Any number, like whether it is something called integer or decimal or fraction, anything, any number is of type, is of type number. Any number, integer or decimal, is of type number. Any doubts, ma? No. Let's go here. Let's take it here. Some number. Let, not let, where na? Where x equals to 25. Sir, we are just discussing something basic only. Don't worry. I will just repeat these things again and again and again until you get habituated.
This meeting is being recorded.
I will where x equals to 25. If I write console.log type of x, what will come, sir? What is the type of x? Number. What is the type of x? Number. You can go on, sir. You can see in my script file, it is printing number. Sir, go here. If I write it here minus, what it will show, sir? Number only. What if I give point? Number only. In other programming languages, you will have float, double, something. But here, nothing is like that. Everything is a number. A number is a number. Simple. Sir, can I able to control any kind of methods using numbers, sir? Yes. You can do some kind of code using numbers, sir. Let me write it here. Where p is equals to 5 or no 16. Then if I write it here, console.log. Why you are writing all of these consoles? Consoles is used for debugging. That means someone is observing you. Okay. Like I just want to write it like p plus q or x plus p. If you do x plus p, what will happen, sir? Minus 2.5 plus 16. Something it will give an answer, na? But how much it is giving answer, I don't know. Right or not? Only programming will know that. So that answer I want to see whether it is giving correct or not. Whom I can ask? I will ask console now. Why? Because console observes it. Now imagine you all are writing notes now. Whatever I'm saying it, you are writing. But I don't know what you are writing. Imagine I have put one person behind you. And that person observes what you are writing. And exactly when I say 2 plus 3, you will write the answer in your book. And I will ask that person what he wrote. Are you getting my story here? Same thing. That person is the console. Console is observing your JavaScript and browser is running your JavaScript. This console is checking what the JavaScript is doing. Now, console.log math dot. There is one for numbers. For numbers, we have one class called math. This one will be useful for higher things. To have a good foundation, you need to do this. Math dot. If I use math dot sqrt 16 or p, can anyone tell me what is the answer? What is the answer, ma? 4. Why? SQRT means square root. If I give it here, imagine I give here 27 and I give here CBRT. Any guess, sir? 3. Why? Cube root. Why? Cube root. Very good. Nice. Let me check it. What if I give it here 5 and I say here math dot how p comma 2. Does anyone get a 10 answer? No, na? Now it's like 25. Why it is 5 power 2? 5 power 2. Any doubt, sir? Sir, until your job, your course ends, we will use only VS Code. We don't use any other thing. Now, or let me give it something nice, nice logics. Math dots. This is all something, sir. Why? Where do we use? In a case, if you are doing mathematical operations, we will use it. Okay. Now, math dots. Math dot floor. If I give it here, where q equals to uh, 5.1, 5.86. Now, if I give math dot floor q, can anyone tell me what it will print? 5.86. 5. Why? Let me tell you how it will work. If you see the number line, you will have 5.86. 5.86 is between 5 and 6. Right or not? Right or not, ma'am? Now, if you give math dot floor, if you give math dot floor always gives lowest value. Now your number is between 5 and 6, even though it is near to 6. Actually, it is near to 6, but still, which is low? 5. So it will print 5. Because floor. Because oh, if you go, you can check it actually. 5. Now you can see it here. Next. What if, sir, I gave math dot 1 6 5 only, but this time instead of floor, I will use math dot seal. Seal means higher value. Seal means now. Next. If I give math dot round, round will round figure, sir, not higher or lower. Round figure. For the persons who don't know round figure, sir, round figure means if it is greater than or equals to 0.5, next number. If it is less than 0.5, it will be same number. 5.16 is less than 0.5, so automatically it will be 5 only. Any doubts? Or console or log, math dots. Most important one of all, random. What this random will give, sir? Random will give random number. Every time some random number will come. Between 0.0 to 1.0. Between 0.0 to, can anyone guess it? Anyone guess? Where can we use this random number? OTPs. Excellent idea. But can I get it captcha? Correct. Can I get it OTP 0.14 something? How do I convert this 0.14 something into 4 digit? numbers, random numbers. So someone suggested it, I can use it for OTP. Absolutely right. We will do that only, reality. Now, how can you change that into 4-digit OTP? Someone named online Ravindra and Mahamid Ashwant, both are answers right. Array, if you multiply it by 4 zeros, it will become 4-digit OTP. Re. Dekho. Now, sir, it's coming point, sir. Round figure karo. That point will be removed. See, each time random 4-digit OTP will come. Are you getting my point, ma? Any doubt, sir? Any doubts? Now, sir, what I did is, I just took it math on random. It is giving me random number. So I multiplied with 4 zeros. Automatically, point will go after four numbers. After four numbers, point is going. After 4 zeros, point is going. Then I just cut it using random. So I get it 4 digit. That's what I will do. What is math dot floor? Lowest value. What is math dot seal? Up value. These are the most frequent used. There are so many math methods, but these are the most used. Any doubt, sir? Now, everyone implement the logic. Task free. A simple thing I will give. This time task. This will be the last one. Do it so that we can leave. Now, seal means high value. We can use math methods such as seal, floor, random, SQRT, CBRT, POW, round, etc. Now, write write a simple JS, write a simple JS, write a simple JS to find cube of sum of two digits. Example, if I give 2 and 3, imagine if I give 2 and 3. What is 2 plus 3? What is 5 cube? 125. So the result should be 125 in console. This is my requirement. If anyone did not understand question, please ask me. You will declare two numbers. Okay. If the numbers are 2 and 3, first you should add them. That is 5. Then I wanted 5 cube print. Online, whoever wants the notes, I will just share it into the drive and I will share it into the, better I will share it into the GitHub and all. You can check it on that. Okay. Yeah. Someone is asking it like, should we start every program with console.log? No need. We are just doing it because it's our first class. Slowly, you will get it better. Okay. I just want you to understand those things. That's it. Sir, please ask even if you think it's a silly doubt. First 10 days, please ask every single doubt. Even if you think it's too silly, ask it. Because after 10 days, you will get it easily. Understand? Someone asked me a great question. Is JS is case sensitive? Yes. HTML is not. JS is. Sir, is do we have to download anything into JS? No. Sir, do I have to download anything to run JavaScript, sir? Why? Because browser will have JavaScript engine. We will discuss tomorrow the JavaScript engine and all. Browsers will run it. You will not run it. Everything browsers will run. Did anyone completed this, sir? Tell me. Tell me, Ray, what to type? Const log. No. First, I have to declare two variables. Now, let's declare 25. Oh, sorry. 5, 2, comma. Okay. Whatever it is. हो गया बोलो console.log. Oh, you are taking it in another variable. Oh, where C is equals to A plus B. That makes it so nice. Console.log C math.pow C comma 3, which will be C power 3. You can do this, or some people will put it A plus B here only and will put it power 3. You can do that, or you can do something like C asterisk C asterisk C. Asterisk means multiplication. Or JavaScript will have a special feature called double asterisk. Double asterisk is for power. Double asterisk is for, if I put C double asterisk 3 also, it will work same thing. CBRT. CBRT बोले तो क्यूब नहीं रे, क्यूब रूट दोनों अलग है. Cube root of what is cube root of 5 रे? देखो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 5 मालूम है तुमको? I will just write it here. I will just comment it. Now, online so many questions came. Let's answer everything. First one, how to take input in JavaScript. We will discuss a DOM, document object model. I will tell you. At that time, you can connect HTML input into JavaScript. Actually, now you are learning only JavaScript. You are not connecting any HTML, right or not? HTML, you are not giving any input. In future, what we will do, we will give input in HTML, we will take it. Now, next, someone is asking, does JS particular about semicolons or not? Dekho, some lines I put semicolon, some lines I did not put semicolon. Because JS will have auto semicolon insertion, which means if you write anything new line, if you are writing everything in a new line, if you are writing everything in a new line, you don't need any semicolon. But But what if you are writing two statements in the same line? Then you need to put semicolon. Semicolon is to make any compiler or engine to understand these two are different. Your Java or C language cannot able to understand two things different or not. That's why we will put semicolons. But JavaScript is like you are writing in a new line, na? So it's a new thing. That's what it will feel. If you are writing in the same line, you need to put semicolon. Unless or until if you are writing it a new line, no need of it. Any doubts? Right. That's it. Doubt ma? No. Yeah. Any other doubts you can ask, sir? Okay. You can able to see these three things will give same answer. 125, 125, 125. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you all and we'll meet you tomorrow. Bye bye. That's it, sir. That's it.